Once again, we stopped.
In 1934, BBC executive Eric Maschwitz was producing a weekly radio revue. Each broadcast featured an original song, but on this occasion the commissioned songwriter had fallen ill. The multi-talented Maschwitz now needed to write the song himself, but he woke up on the morning of the scheduled broadcast with nothing, or rather just a title. Sat in his pyjamas, Eric decided to go for a catalogue or laundry list song, a song which listed examples of the wonderful qualities of the beloved. The key was to show, not tell, to provide details rather than abstractions. I sat down to write it, and a miracle happened, as miracles so seldom do in songwriting. It was as if it was all stored up in my head. In a single Sunday morning, fortified by coffee and vodka, Maschwitz bashed out a chorus and 3 verses. At midday, he dictated the words down the phone to his writing partner, Jack Strachey, with a request that Strachey come up with a suitable tune by 6 that evening. And this was done, though neither man was pleased with the result. I was, I must confess, bitterly disappointed in it, Eric said later. Nor did Jack care for the title. He wanted to call the song These Little Things. The show was broadcast.
Once again, we stopped the mighty roar of London's traffic.
And the song promptly forgotten, until Leslie Hutchinson, the West Indian singer, happened to notice the score on top of the piano in Eric's office. Hutch played it, liked it, and made the first recording of what would become a songbook standard. A cigarette that bears her lipstick's traces, an airline ticket to romantic places, and still my heart has wings. These foolish things remind me of